Oh, shoot balls. Hello, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing a haul. I feel like matagal-tagal na din ako hindi nakapag-haul, like, you know, sit down haul video. Pero yeah, this video is a haul. And yes, I have a hat on kasi I just don't feel like applying heat on my hair today. My hair needs rest, okay? So anyway, I will go ahead and start. I'm gonna start with the stuff that I got from PPZ. PPZ is a company that sells undergarments like, you know, bras, underwears, and then body something. I will show you guys later. I got 3 items from them. The first one, if you guys don't want to see like bras, then don't watch because I'm gonna show you 2 bras in here. So yeah, the first one is this one right here. I really like the color, super sexy. I like that it's long like that. It's not just like, you know, normal bra. It's kind of like a bra, but a bralette, but more of like a bra. I don't know if that makes sense. The quality is really good, and I am a big fan of the gold detail. I don't know, I just really like gold, and I like that they have the brand PPZ, so it's like, you know, it's legit. Okay, next thing is another bra. This is hands down my favorite item. This fits me perfectly. The other one fits me fine, but this one just hugs my tiny bitty, you know, boobies really nicely. I really like this one. The fit is great, and I'm tiny, you guys, and I'm not just tiny, like I'm petite, so it's kind of hard for me to find bras that actually fit me. Again, this one is my favorite. It looks like this. I really like the lace detail, and again, the quality is really good. This one has the silver hardware, and same thing, they have the print of their brand in there. If you have, you know, small, yeah, I highly recommend you get this bra. I will leave the links of each item below if you guys are interested. And then last one from PPZ is this right here. Wait, what do you call this thing? Shaping, body shaping something. So this one looks like this, and it's short. Now, the best thing about this one is it has a grip at the bottom, so it stays where it needs to stay, you know what I mean? So if you raise your hand, the dress stays there, or this stays there. I have been walking around the house with just this on, and it really stays where it needs to stay because of those like grip right there. And this one is really comfortable as well. It shapes your body without like feeling really tight, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm a big fan of that. And that's everything from PPZ. Now I got some items from Shein, and I have featured Shein in my previous videos. I think I have 3 in here. I cannot wait to show you these, guys. So I'm gonna start with this shirt right here. It looks like that, and it's just gray, and the sleeves looks like so. It's kind of big for a small, but I do like baggy shirts on me, so I don't really mind. Next one is this one. Ta-da! Surprise! Off-shoulder top. I'm really into off-shoulders lately, you guys know that. But this one, sobrang bet ko yung kulay niya kasi like it has that denim feel to it, but it's not denim at all. Yeah, so it is this really sexy off-shoulder right here, and yeah, of course, it's stripes. And then the last one from Shein is this bomber jacket. I have been wanting a bomber jacket for a really long time, so I'm so excited when I found this at Shein. It has this detail right here, the pocket. The other sleeve doesn't have the pocket detail, but yeah. And it just looks like that. Really simple, black with silver hardware. And yeah. Okay, so few weeks ago, I do not remember kung kailan kami pumunta ng Harbor Town, but we went. And itong mga bags na to, sobrang tagal na nito doon sa kwarto. Kasi hindi ko pa siya na-haul. I was like, I need to film this haul. I'm gonna show you guys the stuff that I got from JJ. So, shop siya dito sa Australia. Again, we went to Harbor Town. And I believe I got 5 stuff from there. Oh yes, because it's 5 for 5 deal. Oh my gosh, nakalimutan ko na itong mga to. Ang tagal na nito. Ano yan? Plastic yan. Okay, the first one I got is this one right here. Meron siyang necklace, tapos dalawang earrings. You know what? I should wear the earrings right now. Should I? No. not now. Some of you guys have been asking me, bakit hindi ka nagsusuot ng earrings? I just don't feel comfortable wearing earrings, but I will try. Kasi meron pang more earrings dito, so, ooh, okay, I forgot about that. Next set looks like that. So, merong yin-yang, merong black. This one I really like. This is the main reason why I got this set. And then the hoops, I'm not really sure if I will wear the hoops. Yeah, not a big fan, but that's that. And then the next one sa 545 deal is this one right here. It's a really cute hair tie na merong mga flowers na ganyan. I really like the color of the flowers. It's so bongga. Then next one is this necklace right here. Oh my gosh, this necklace will look good sa aking top right now. Ooh, yes! Wait, wag kang magbuhol-buhol. Bronze siya, tapos meron siyang mga tassels na ganap. I really like this. Oh guys, more earrings. So meron siya ng bird, bow, at saka heart. I do not know if I'm gonna wear that, but those are those. And then sa plastic na yun, meron ako nitong this one. I'm not gonna pronounce this because I do not know how to pronounce it. I have heard someone pronounce it though, but I forgot. Pero ito, bigay sa akin ni Anne. Meron siyang channel, Anne Paris. I will leave her link below. It's the volume powder. It's supposed to give your hair volume, which you guys know I need. I obviously haven't tried this yet, but I will soon. I kind of forgot about it because again, nandito siya sa mga plastic. Oh, more bags from JJ's. What is this? So you guys, dito sa Australia, yung tawag nila sa tank top nila, singlet. So ito, actually kay Dan to. Kasi ayaw niya bumili. Sabi ko ako bibili kasi gustong-gusto ko siya. And it was such a good deal. For $10. So the first singlet looks like this. Dalawa lang yun nandito. Maybe kinuha na niya yung dalawa. But yeah, this next one looks like this. Kasi diba, spring na you guys. I'm pretty sure when you're watching this video, spring na. Kasi spring starts September. And oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Like, magagamit niyo talaga yung mga yan. And then from Cotton On, I got only one thing. This one, I think napakita ko na sa vlog ko. Sobrang tagal na nung vlog na yun. Anyway, I just got a swimsuit top. I really like the colors. Look at that, you guys. The colors are just so, like, you know, springy. And then it has extra strap right here. This was, I believe, I forgot, $5 I think. It has $10 tag here, pero I don't think I paid $10. And then we went to Ice. This romper is only $3. And hindi ko siya sinukat kasi I was like, it's only $3 and I'm pretty sure it will fit me naman. It looks like this. How cute is that? And the best part is meron siyang pockets. I like it when rompers have pockets. And then the back looks like this as well. Really sexy. Again, perfect for spring and summer. So yeah, ooh, you guys know me and my rompers. Last thing from Ice are these pair of flats right here. Yes, you guys, I got this for only, yes, only $1. And it was originally $14.50. And then last bag in here is from Factory, again from Harbour Town. Oh wait, oh, this is not from Factory. This is from Adidas. They pronounce it here Adidas, and then in Philippines I pronounce it Adidas. I'm gonna pronounce it Adidas because I'm here, so yes. Anyway, this one was on sale and I forgot how much this was, but it was originally $40 and then I didn't pay $40. I'm pretty sure it was such a good deal. And I got this for my mom actually, not for me because hindi siya kasya sa akin. Sobrang liit ko, you guys. This is already extra small and malaki pa rin siya sa akin. So I got this for my mom kasi mahilig sa mga workout clothes yung mama ko eh. Tumatakbo-takbo din yun. And then yung nasa factory bag pala is itong shorts. It looks like that. I think it was such a good deal as well. So I think it was only $5. It says $15 in here, but I'm pretty sure it was like maybe, yeah, I think it was only $5. That's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do like if you did. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye. This one is really comfy, and this one,